I'm Las Vegas family law attorney Michael Becker. My office is seeing a lot of former couples who are opting to pursue legal separation instead of divorce. Like divorced couples, legally separated couples may still have to deal with such issues as child custody, child support, alimony, and distribution of property. But there are several benefits of going the legal separation route as opposed to divorce, including these 5. 1. You get to remain on your spouse's health insurance policy. 2. You remain entitled to your spouse's Social Security and/or military survivor benefits. 3. You can file a joint tax return. 4. If your religion forbids divorce, you can get to live separately without being excommunicated or otherwise ostracized from your religious community. And 5, if there's any hope of reconciling, being legally separated allows the couple to come together again without having to go through another wedding ceremony. If you or your loved one is considering legal separation or divorce in Nevada, call my team at 702 Defense for a free consultation. The attorneys of the Las Vegas Defense Group are here to fight for the most favorable resolution possible in your legal matter.